Hello everyone, welcome back to Health and Beauty Station. Friends, today I'm going to review the Body Shop Tea Tree Squeaky Clean Scrub. Before starting the video, I request you all to please subscribe to Health and Beauty Station and also don't forget to subscribe to HNB's Kitchen. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Friends, I'm a big fan of Body Shop Tea Tree line. I have almost used all the products from this line and I get clearer looking skin whenever I use these products. I mainly use Body Shop Tea Tree range products when I have acne or pimples and my skin goes oily. Mostly in summers my skin goes oily and I have lots of pimples on my forehead. At that time I switch to tea tree range and I get clearer looking skin. Even these tea tree products help to clear the blemish marks in really short amount of time as compared to other products in the market. So I really love tea tree products. So today in this video I'm going to review the Squeaky Clean Scrub from this line, and this is the packaging. This packaging is tube format and it is 100 ml packaging, and this is suitable for blemished skin. The blemished skin is the skin on which the pimple marks are there. I'm not talking about pigmentation marks, I'm talking about blemishes or the marks of pimples. This scrub is enriched with pure tea tree oil and it contains micro exfoliating particles, and these particles are biodegradable, so they will not harm the environment, and they are gentle enough to use it as a daily exfoliator. So you can use it daily, but I would suggest to use it at least thrice in a week or twice in a week, not more than that. I'm a big fan of Body Shop Tea Tree facial wash and that really helps me to keep my skin clearer. I start using this line whenever first signs of pimples appear on my face. Friends, I'll now show you the texture of this scrub. This contains micro exfoliating bits and this is gentle foaming face scrub. So this is the face scrub. It actually having the bits which are very gentle. So as you can see, this face scrub is exfoliating as well as foaming face scrub, and fragrance is amazing. I really love the tea tree fragrance, and when you wash off the scrub you feel cooling effect on your skin, so you feel refreshed after using this scrub. It's very gentle and it cleans away all dead skin cells, impurities from your skin, and your skin looks so smooth and clearer looking and deeply cleansed. So this scrub is great in terms of it gives clear looking skin, it helps to fade away the blemishes and pimples, and it really cleans out all dead skin cells, and your skin instantly feels smooth and clean and clear after using this scrub. So friends, none of the product is magic. You have to use the product on regular basis to get required results. So use the tea tree line for good amount of time, at least for 3 months, and then check out if it's working for you. So friends, quick review of this Squeaky Tea Tree Scrub from my side is I really loved it. This is enriched with pure tea tree oil and you instantly feel refreshed after using this scrub. The layer of dead skin and impurities instantly go and skin really feels smooth and glowing after using this scrub. So I would recommend this product to anyone who is having oily, pimple prone and blemished skin. So this was my review on Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Scrub. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.